Hello and a warm welcome to my channel. Ask me a stock and I will cover it for you from a long, medium to short-term perspective based on the studies of Ichimoku, which is a Japanese origin multi-time frame studies, and harmonic trading patterns derived out of Fibonacci. So if you would like me to cover a stock for you, do mention it in the comment section and I'll take it up. Please note it should be from the listed space and only a large, medium, or a small cap stock. No micro cap stocks, no unlisted stocks at all. Now, a disclosure, this is not a trading or investing advice to you. This is purely an educational talk based on the studies of Ichimoku and harmonics. Please do your study carefully before taking a final call on your trading or investing in this particular stock. Also, please note no fees or monetary transaction are involved in any kind for this video. It's completely free. Now, today's talk is JIO Financial Services, the financial service business of Reliance Industries, demerged in July 2024. It's into lending, leasing, payment bank, payment solutions, insurance products, a joint venture with BlackRock for an AMC, wealth management and wealth advisors, and recently has also got its approval to be a stockbroker from SEBI. The stock has made it into the Benjamin Graham Value Screener top pick list. Now let's go and check out the analysis of the charts and try to decode what lies ahead for it. Now starting with the monthly time frame, you can see the demerged portion, which then saw a splendid rally, but then this is around the election results or time 2024, and then started the tumble in the stock. Overall markets peaked out in end September, October, but this one had given up earlier, went on to make a new low in the month of April, in April 7th, when the entire market overall bottomed out and started a reversal in it. The monthly, not too much data for us to come to big conclusions right now, but the monthly support for now is at 270 as per Ichimoku, with resistance at 350 and then 375 on the upside for the monthly. Nothing much giving away in the monthly. It's too early for the August month candle to come to any conclusion. July was a long lower shadow candle, so not too much coming out of the monthly right now. Let's have a look at the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, you can see that the future Kumo out here, as per Ichimoku, has turned bullish, which is a good sign for the stock. Stock trying to push its way on the upside. The support is now coming in at 300 and then all the way down at 270 odd, with resistance picked out at 345, 350, and then a bit higher at 380, which matches with our monthly 375 odd resistance for the stock. Again, just 3 days gone, halfway midweek of the candle, right now forming a bearish candle, but we still have two more trading sessions to go. So we cannot conclude anything much out of this candle right now. Let's have a look at the daily time frame to further analyze the stock. Now, before I go on to further analyze the stock, I would like to inform you that my courses on harmonic trading patterns, Ichimoku, and trading psychology risk management are available. They are made in videos along with PDF, level-wise, chapter-wise, breaking up into small videos with loads and loads of examples for both bullish and bearish scenarios, for how to catch a swing trade, breakdown trades, on how to identify the support and resistance and trending strength of the market. Both Ichimoku and Harmonics are available in Hindi as well as English, so you can select whichever one you are more comfortable with. Trading psychology and risk management is an extremely important aspect which most traders are either not aware of or are ignoring it. And this is one of the prime reasons we regularly read reports from SEBI that 90% traders are in a loss. The course is extremely detailed and it has also got bonus materials. Number one, other technical studies which complement Harmonics and Ichimoku to reduce your risk in the trade. Number two, how to do a relative rotation of sectors and thereby the stocks in the sectors, that is at any given moment of time, which sector is standing out bullish and which one bearish, and thereby the stocks within the sector also. Number three, at any given trend of the market and also based on your current risk appetite, whether you want to be aggressive or defensive, which option strategy will suit you as and when. And finally, a self-assessment toolkit, which will teach you to do a SWOT analysis of your trading and investing journey. That is the strength of your studies, which are going to help you, continue to help you to make you where you should focus, weakness areas where you need to work on, opportunities where you can still thrive and get better, and threats areas and certain aspects of the market which are not suitable for you and you should stay away from them. The detailed description of the stocks, the link is there in the description box. You can check it out. And if you have any doubts, you can send out an email to me and I will get back to you on the same. Now let's go back and analyze the stock. Now, in the daily frame, we can see from the month of April, it's had a dream run. The stock bottomed out in March, made a higher low on April 7th out here. And from there, it's had a dream run. You've seen very little pullbacks, one small one out here in May, then another one in June out here, more sideways in June than a pullback. And right now, in a scenario from July, where again, bulk of the market has gone sideways to weak. We're seeing the same scenario here. Last 3 days candle, 2 days candle has been bearish. Today's is almost like a black Marubozu candle formation out here today, Wednesday, August the 6th out here. We also see that as per the study of Ichimoku, the stock saw a reaction in July from an Ichimoku price theory target from where some profit booking happened, again tried to go up. Again, so some either it is a consolidation or we making a kind of a double top out here. It's too early to suggest a double top, but something we have to keep in mind in case it slips down further from here. Also, like I said, it's been a dream run. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 gap ups in the stock, and gap ups being held, which is again a very bullish sign for this stock going ahead. The daily time frame support is at 320, then all the way down to this gap area between 300 and 290 is the next support level for the stock, with a stretched bit at 285. Let's have a look at the hourly before coming to a conclusion on how I would deal with the stock going ahead. Would be in the hourly at a support of 325. If not held, then we are seeing a pullback down to 320, 315. This where crisis would be 305. That would mean that this is a kind of a double top scenario which took place, and we are seeing a pullback something till here in that case. But again, very early to come to such a conclusion. First minimum requirement would be that it starts sinking below 320 for any such kind of a pullback. In the daily time frame, the stock has resistance at this Ichimoku price theory, which we saw already at 330, which is very close. So the next one is at 350, and then the higher one at 365 odd. So how would I tackle this stock? First, as a short-term derivative trader, if 320.25 does not hold, then I would be looking for bearish setups which could take it down towards 310 to 290 to all this gap area of 295. But if 325, 320 is held, then I'm not going to look to short it. I would look for long scenarios in the extreme short term. But for that, I want to see the stock, start sustaining above 333. This today's candle high, I would like to see it taken out. Then I would be looking for upward trading targets towards 350, 365. As a medium term to long term investor, the idea would be to accumulate the stock more towards 310 and 290, between this zone, the early support zone of 310 to 290, 80 out here. And keep in mind that below 240.50, the stock could be risky. That means this entire trend. So a 40-50 rupee risk would be presentable for a long to medium term trader. But accumulation, like I said, between 310 to 290 on the downside. On the upside, if I am looking for a medium to long term perspective, I would like to see the stock start sustaining above 350, because I don't want to see something which goes here and then takes a downward move like this. So then if it goes to 350, then my range on from 310 to 280 would rise to 320 to 300 accordingly. But for getting more stronger, above 350, I would accumulate to 375 on the upside. My upside for the stock, because we don't have too much data in it, would be somewhere from a medium term target of 450 to 500. Anything above that, I would start picturizing more from a long term point of view. But for that, we need a lot more data coming in from a technical analysis point of view. So I do hope this video is of help to you. So please do like it, share it, and do follow me for regular stock and index ideas. Until then, all the best with your trading and investing.